a web designer UG production. Zero to AI powered. If you've been putting off learning AI because it sounds complicated, technical, or not for you, this is the video that changes that. Over the next 20 minutes, I'm taking you from knowing almost nothing about AI all the way to running a real working AI assistant on your own computer. One that organizes your files, builds your spreadsheets, writes your reports, and even works on a schedule without you asking. This is the full zero to hero path. And at the end, I'll show you exactly where to go for free ongoing help. Let's start from the very beginning. First, the basics. No jargon. AI, in this context, just means software you can talk to in plain English and get useful things back. Answers, writing, analysis. Claude is Anthropic's AI assistant. You type what you want, it responds. That's it. No coding, no special syntax, just conversation. Most beginners stop right there, using it like a smarter search engine or a writing helper. That's useful, but it's only half of what's possible. And the other half is what this video is really about. Here's the shift. In normal chat mode, Claude talks with you. You copy its answers into your own documents by hand. Cowork is different. Think of it like hiring a careful, capable intern who can actually sit at your computer. You point it at a folder, tell it what you want done, and it goes and does the actual work, reading your files, organizing them, building real documents, then hands you back the finished thing. It checks in with you before anything risky. That's the difference between an AI you chat with and an AI that works for you. Before we touch anything, here's what you need. 1. The Claude desktop app. Cowork only runs there. 2. A paid Claude plan. Pro is enough to start, around $17 to $20 a month. 3. On Mac. macOS Big Sur or newer with Apple Silicon. On Windows, Windows 10 or newer, specifically the Pro, Enterprise, or Education Edition. Linux works too in beta. And 4. A steady internet connection the whole time you're working. Check those off and let's install it. Step 1. Go to claude.com/download, link in the description. Download the version for your operating system and install it like any normal app. Open it, sign in with your Claude account, and if you don't have a paid plan yet, pick Pro. That's everything you need for today. Step 2. At the top of the app, find the mode selector. It shows Chat and Cowork. Click Cowork. This switches you into task mode, which is where the real work happens. Step 3. The setting that matters most for beginners. Permission mode. Ask before acting means Claude pauses and shows you its plan before doing anything. Start here. Act without asking is faster but skips those checkpoints. In either mode, Claude always asks before permanently deleting a file. No exceptions. Step 4. Near the bottom of the screen, click Work in a folder and choose somewhere low risk to start. Your Downloads folder is perfect. Approve the permission prompt. Then, in Settings under Cowork, add a global instruction, something like keep my tone casual and always show me a plan before making changes. Setup. Done. Now, let's put it to work. Use case 1. Everyone has this problem. A Downloads folder with hundreds of random files. Type this. Organize my Downloads folder, propose a plan for categories, sorting, and naming, and flag anything for deletion, but show me the plan first. Claude reads through everything and proposes clear folders. Approve it, and in minutes, months of clutter are sorted. Use case 2. For anyone who dreads doing expenses. Drop a handful of receipt photos into a folder and ask, read every receipt here, and build me an Excel expense report with date, vendor, amount, category, and a total. Claude reads the images, pulls the numbers, and hands you back a real formatted spreadsheet with working totals. Use case 3. This turns Cowork from a tool into an assistant. Inside any Cowork task, type /schedule. Set something like, every Sunday evening, look through my notes folder and give me a short briefing on what's coming up this week. Save it, and it just runs. You don't have to remember to ask. One more, because this is where it gets powerful. Point Cowork at a messy folder of meeting notes or scattered research and ask it to turn that into a polished report or slide deck ready to present. Claude reads everything, pulls out the key points, and delivers a formatted document or presentation you can actually send to someone. Quick trust check. Claude only sees folders and tools you specifically connect, nothing else. It shows you its plan before acting. and always ask before permanently deleting anything. Start with low-stakes folders like we did today, and expand once you're comfortable. Look at what you just did. Installed Claude Desktop, switched into Cowork, connected your first folder, and ran 4 real tasks. That's not a demo. That's a working setup you'll keep using. This is day 1. There's a lot more Cowork can do. That's exactly what my free school community is for. New prompts and templates every week, direct help with your setup. It costs nothing to join. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments. If this saved you time, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the community.